Now about this importance and the wujub, imperativeness of Jumma, let me give you 3 ahadith. Imam Abu Dawud rahimahullah, he reports from Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Al-Jum'atu ala man sami'a al-nida. Jum'ah is mandatory for every Muslim who listens to the azan. If he has listened, he must respond. People who live in that vicinity of the mosque, that the azan has reached their ears, now it becomes mandatory for them to respond and go to Jum'ah. The second hadith is from Abu Dawud rahimahullah. Al-Jum'atu haqqun wajibun ala kulli muslimin fi jama'atin. This Jum'ah prayer is farz, this is mandatory. It is essential for every Muslim. And this can be offered only in congregation. You can't offer Jum'ah prayer separately. If you, due to some reason, couldn't join the Jum'ah congregation, now you will be praying Zuhr. Jum'ah you are deprived of. That has gone. So in Jama'ah, it can only be offered, this prayer can be only offered in congregation. Al-Jum'atu haqqun wajibun ala kulli muslimin fi jama'atin illa ala arba'in. Only 4 are exempted. It is not farz on 4. Who are they 4? Abdin mamlukin, a slave. Because that slave doesn't have the authority of his own. He is owned by his master, his time is owned by his master. So if his master allows him, only then he can go. So for him it is not wajib, it is not farz. Aw imra'atin, and women. On them it is not farz. If they join, okay. But if they don't, there's nothing, they have not committed any sin. It is not wajib, it is not farz. Aw sabiyyin, or children. Children, on them it is not farz. Aw marizin, and fourthly, whosoever is ill and sick, he also, he is absolved of this responsibility. Third hadith. Al-Jum'atu ala man awahu al-laylu ila ahlihi. Jum'ah is farz and mandatory for every person who can reach back to his family before night. Because you know, this Jum'ah congregation was not offered and not held in all the villages. There are a few houses somewhere, but they can't hold a Jum'ah prayer there. They must go to some place where Jum'ah is being held. But you know what should be distance? If a person can start in the morning, the distance is such that he starts in the morning, he offers his Jum'ah prayer, and then he can return to his family before the night falls. Then his Jum'ah is essential for him. He must go and offer the Jum'ah with congregation. Al-Jum'atu ala man awahu al-laylu ila ahlihi. Now these are the 3 positive ahadith